Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You dead, really? After that? You did not survive that? Okay.
Your blood is everywhere.
You didn't get anything? They're so cheap here.
How come there's no Jewel?
I don't know. Okay, continue in the sewer.
Oh, that was scary.
Yep.
I'm gonna keep running to the end. Oh, I'm gonna climb. Let's see some ladder in
Yes,
here.
I can look up your bikini. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
What's in here?
It's a beach. Whoa, it's a beach.
Oh, you can see someone's running.
Oh, it's running? Hello.
Yeah. Someone's running.
Is that a flower?
Where? Yeah, I think there's a flower in there.
Here.
It is a flower. Oh, okay. So
So to find emblem number 6, you need to go to this.
oh shucks, someone's coming.
No, they're running away, love.
Are they?
We are at the beach, but to find emblem number 6, you have to find this little green shack made for one salesperson. If you look into it and up, you will find number 6. And there you go. And now we need to find the keys to this harbor because it was locked. Can it be in here? They keep running away on this one. They have a problem with the lock. Use a lockpick. Let's see. Whoa! Some keys.
There's the key.
I have the wrong weapon.
Pick up.
Oh no!
Gole.
Here they come.
Okay, I think we need to run. There are too many. Do we have to kill them all or what?
Let's kill them all. Cover the door and cover the window. Oh no, it's a big guy. You got him?
Yep.
Sorry,
Oh, what? I thought you covered the window.
I was. Run away! Behind you!
Okay,
On the roof!
you said run away. I'm running away, love.
Okay, bye. See you later. Open the gate to whatever.
Open, come on.
Have to cross the boat here.
Okay, run.
Go.
Where to go?
Right, up
Oh,
steps.
shucks. Climb.
I'm turning around just in case. We're coming, someone coming. We're
Oh.
getting. What is that? Yeah.
Oh, we need to go to the helicopter. Where is that?
Oh shit. Sorry.
What? There's a butterfly too. Oh,
Where are you? Don't go too far. There's one on the roof here. Throwing things. Watch out for the shop there. He's helping us.
picking up some herbs.
Go ahead.
Oh, shucks.
You need to take it now. Or come back here. I'm in the first there, where the fire went down. I'm in there.
Oh, God. Oh! Oh! That's surprising.
There's one behind you.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to this so that
No.
I can see someone. It's coming.
Don't do anything. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to find emblem number 7, you need to climb this ladder. Stand on this roof. Walk towards this building. Zoom in. In this house, you'll see number 7. Here you go. Oh, don't need this one. Okay, crash course for everybody. The red door, this red door, this house, if you want sniper rifle, it's in there. Watch out for the zombies. They might be dead already.
Yeah. They're already dead. Bye! That was scary. I mean, there are so many of them. I was thinking to just outrun.
Okay, well, let's go here. There's a door
Okay.
here.
Another door? So much door in this village.
Yeah, I thought they would be living in huts. There's guys in there.
Where?
In here.
I'm gonna change. Oh yeah, you can see that. Whoa, that's cool. Why did you just shot? You don't even know if it's innocent or not.
They're all not innocent.
They're all zombie in here?
Yep.
Oh shucks. Big herb, where is that?
Behind you. I have the wrong weapon and I'm dying.
Where are you?
I have my own. I use mine.
Okay. Where are we going now?
Straight here. Wait, there's a flower here.
I already picked it up. There's another flower.
I don't know.
I already picked up.
Right, I'm stealing the gold then.
Okay, I'll wait here. Where's
Someone
that?
is screaming. Okay. Whoa, look at the shop there. Yes, what is those? Good job. Yeah, we can see that. You're
Like
on
he's
fire
floating.
too. Goodbye, Cork. Thanks for nothing. I guess this is your station.
Let me go up there. There we go. Let me use my... I think I need to go down there. I'll go back there. There's no other way. Is that you?
Yep, I've got some zombies on my behind me. Not anymore.
What? There's more. Oh, pick up. Kill them while I'm picking up gold. Hi! You just come out to die. Oh, that's so much gold. Okay, I'm going up.
There's so many bodies.
Gold. Gold. Oh, no gold. Oh, there's 3. There's
Okay, get this one.
Oh, there's something in there. What? Where did you from?
Flower. No, I don't want that.
Gold. Where did it from?
I heard something, but I don't know where it is.
That's crazy. Are you upstairs?
No.
Oh, that's him.
Maybe there's more.
Pick up the gold. There's more coming.
What?
I just don't see.
More it's easy.
Oh,
Oh! It sure knows the axe factory sure makes a lot of money in this one. Everyone buys an axe.
what is this? Oh, it's just ammo. Oh, what is that blinking? Grenade. We need that.
Did you take the... Oh, no.
Oh. Where am I? I think I'm lost. Oh, what is that? Another hand grenade.
How can you be lost when you're on the balcony?
I'm in the balcony.
Yeah, I don't see you. What happened to you? Where did you
Uh,
go? Are you on the second floor now?
I think I
This
said.
looks like
Oh yeah.
a system point. Okay, 4. Emblem number 8. You reach the top floor of this building at the assist jump. Turn around. Get your sniper rifle. Look up. And you will find number 8. There you go. And assist jump, how? What?
Time to jump. Oh.
Whoa, that is some jump. You are very athletic. Let me go down. I'm sure something is going to happen. Let's see.
Okay, let me take this. Gold, please. Oh yes. Oops. I think it's wrong.
Wait.
Oh yeah. Am I wearing my vest? How come I cannot see it?
It is invisible. It is what do you call it?
What is that?
Bulletproof bikini.
Okay, I'm jumping down now.
Okay, jump. I am ready. If there's any... Oh my
What?
gosh.
What? There's so much. Wow, what was that? I need to go down. Oh, there's so much coin.
Oh, that's you. Oh crap. Did it hurt you? No.
Do not do anything. I have them.
More coming.
I know, I have them.
It
Boo.
feels so helpless.